Find the fourth root of the number 65,536. The fourth root of this number, that means we have to find that number b such that when we take b times b times b times b, this will simply be equal to 65,536. That means we have to multiply the number b by itself 1, 2, 3, 4 times. For us to answer this question, we are going to make use of the tabular method. We take down solution. Making use of the tabular method, the first column carries the prime factors, while the second column carries the results right down to 1 after performing the division. Write down the number 65,536. The number 65,536 is an even number. You can see the last digit of this number 6 is an even number. That means 2 is the smallest prime factor of this number. We are going to divide 65,536 by 2. Dividing 65,536 by 2, this gives us 32,768, which is an even number. We are going to bring down 2. We divide 32,768 by 2. This gives us 16,384, which is an even number. We bring down 2 again. 16,384 divided by 2, it gives us 8,192, which is an even number. We bring down 2 again. 8,192 divided by 2, this gives us 4,096, which is an even number. We bring down 2 again. 4,096 divided by 2, it gives us 2,048, which is an even number. Bring down 2 again. 2,048 divided by 2, it gives us 124, which is an even number. We bring down 2. We divide 124 by 2. This gives us 512, which is an even number. We bring 2 again. 512 divided by 2 gives us 256. We bring down 2 again. 256 divided by 2, this gives us 128, which is an even number. We bring down 2 again. We divide 128 by 2. This gives us 64, which is an even number. We bring down 2 again. 64 divided by 2 gives us 32. You write down 32. We bring down 2 again because 32 is an even number. Let's continue the division here at the right hand side. 32 divided by 2 gives us 16, which is an even number. We bring down 2 again. 16 divided by 2 gives us 8, which is an even number. We bring down 2 again. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4, which is an even number. We bring down 2 again. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2, which is an even number. We bring down 2 again. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. When we reach 1, that means the division has ended. Since we are looking for the full root of 65,536, we are going to group the 2's in groups of 4. Let's do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first group. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the second group. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the third group. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth group. Now from each of the groups of 2, we are going to extract a 2, which is common. For the first group, we extract 2. The second group, we extract 2. The third group, we extract 2. And the fourth group, we extract 2. For us to get the fourth root of the number 65,536, we are going to multiply the 2's which have been extracted from the 4 groups. That means we take 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is simply equal to 2 times 2 gives us 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. Here we conclude, therefore, the fourth root of the number 65,536 is simply equal to 16. We underline the answer. That means if we take 16 times 16 times 16 times 16, the result will be 65,536. This is how we find the fourth root of a number by making use of the tabular method. If in case you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.